Introducing the Winnebago ERA, one of the first motorhomes in its class built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with on- and off-road capabilities and premium interior styling. Tour in style and camp in comfort. The 4x4 option helps tackle off-roading with ease, complete with a diesel engine designed to deliver power and torque, plus advanced features like active brake assist and blind spot monitoring. The Winnebago ERA combines innovation with adventure while raising the bar on efficiency. The ERA's elegant galley features Corian countertops, microwave or convection oven, a 2 or 3 burner cooktop with glass cover, stainless sink, and compressor-driven refrigerator. Ultra leather furnishings highlight the contemporary interior. The movable table and swivel cab seats provide options as open-ended as your plans. The Truma Combi Eco Plus heating lets you flex between gas and electric modes, and the new Coleman Mach A AC system stays ultra-quiet. Strategically placed backlit switch panels let you conveniently control light settings, gen start, and more. The Precision Plex app also lets you monitor and control functions including lights, awning, generator, and tank and battery levels via Bluetooth connection. Outside, there's a large electric power awning with LED lighting, a widescreen door, weatherproof speaker system, 200-watt solar system with battery charger, and an HD TV antenna. On the rear is a trailer hitch receiver, roof ladder, and spare tire. Winnebago's ERA comes in 4 floor plans: M, A, B, and X. The M floor plan boasts a slide-out Murphy bed in the front and is the only Class B van with a dry bath. The A floor plan includes a sofa bed in the front of the unit, as well as 2 twin flex beds in the rear. The B floor plan features an extra-large refrigerator in the front and a pull-down sofa in the rear. The X floor plan is identical to the B, except the refrigerator is moved under the counter to make room for an extra chair in the lounge area. Welcome to the era of freedom and mobility, the Winnebago ERA. For more information, please visit our website at generalrv.com or call us at 888-436-7578 to speak with one of our Winnebago product specialists.